and also to promote those areas and show people what it's like to go to those areas. Hello, Melaba. Police don't want to talk to me, they're a bit antisocial. But yeah, that's the whole aim. I'm in Turkey for exactly 2 weeks, and my aim is to travel certain parts of Turkey. Merhaba. Hello. You okay?
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. You?
I'm very good. I'm very good.
Yeah, very good.
Everything okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye. Third person to interact with me. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
How are you? Okay?
Okay.
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
What's down here? What's down here?
Yes, where are you from?
You London.
London?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Video for YouTube, man. YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. YouTube, man.
YouTube name?
Blackman the Traveler.
Blackman de.
Black.
Come, man.
Come on.
You come.
You come.
All right. Gentleman here told me. Here?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Right, I don't know, man. I just got stopped. I was walking in the street. I said to the guy, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now he wants me to go over and give him the channel. Let's hope I don't get kidnapped. You know what I mean? Fingers crossed. Hello. Let's hope I don't get kidnapped. So he told me to come around the corner, but I don't know where he's gonna come out from. Is he gonna come out from here? Oh, hello. Right. Come in. Right. Just again. Actually, if I can pull this door. Hey. Right, I've just entered someone's house. It's interesting, man. What's going on?
I'm fine. You?
I'm not too bad, man. I can come in?
Yeah.
All right. It's for YouTube, yeah?
Maske versene ona.
Look at this. I'm walking in the street and the guy offered me to come to his house. I don't drink alcohol. Muslim.
Muslim?
Yeah.
Oo, kardeşim biz de Müslüm.
Muslim, brother. Muslim. Right, guys, look. Hello.
Hello.
I was just walking on the street and these people offered me to come to their house.
Okay, come.
Thank you. I took off my shoes.
Yes.
Yeah, I took off my shoes. Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Soda?
Soda, yes. Thank you very much. Look at this. I'm in some
Welcome.
random people's house, man. Yeah, that's sick. Don't kidnap me, alright? So what's going on?
Yeah, fine, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, this is beautiful. Right.
You Cafer. You name Cafer.
Okay.
A professional football.
Football.
Football player.
Manchester United.
No,
Trabzonspor.
Rubbish. Okay, me, Manchester United.
Okay.
I sit over here.
Do you know
Thank you very much. Huh?
Do you know Trabzonspor?
Travel spot.
Yeah, Trabzonspor.
No, sir. I don't know travel spot.
Which? Great.
Okay, I'll give you my YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
The guy's gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna give him my YouTube channel right now. Yeah, you can talk.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. No. For
Me?
you. Hey, you can walk. Walk around the house.
What?
Yeah. Alright. Blackman. Traveler.
Aldın mı Instagram?
YouTube.
Yeah.
Instagram yok mu?
Yeah, Instagram. I have Instagram. YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
Instagram?
Yeah. Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram.
Okay.
This is sick, man. Look at that. I got offered a drink. Juice?
Juice.
Cheers.
Cheese.
Look at this. Alright, guys, look at that. Cheers, man. That's what happens when you bloody travel around the world. Cheers, man. Yeah. Got my drink. Giving him my bloody Instagram. You're from Turkey? Assalamu alaikum.
Aleykümselam.
Aleykümselam.
You are Muslim?
Muslim man. Guys, I'm gonna stop filming. I'm gonna carry on filming when I walk around the house. Take care. Muslim man. Yeah. Alright guys, the gentleman in this house here, literally he just gave me a free football shirt. That's the shirt right over here. It's a Trabzonspor. Trabzonspor. It's a team in Ankara.
Oh, Trabzon.
Yeah, in Trabzon. Alright, so anyway, the gentleman here gave me a free football shirt. I appreciate it. I'm gonna wear this when I go to London. I'm gonna come here tomorrow and we're gonna do a cooking vlog. That's gonna be interesting. So guys,
Say again.
Yeah.
You. Turn.
Okay.
2010,
2010,
2011
2011
şampiyonu
şampiyonu
Trabzonspor.
Trabzonspor. Hey!